Hello students, let's continue with probability. Next question is, three coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting. First sub question is at least two heads. Second sub question is at most two tails. Okay, so we will learn in this video, we will learn the meaning of what is at least and what is at most. Okay, first, since three coins are tossed, we will see what are the different outcomes. So this is coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. So you can get head on all the three coins, or you can get head on two coins and tail on one coin. So this is what you need to by heart. Okay, and remember what are the different outcomes when three coins are tossed simultaneously. So total how many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get any of these 8 outcomes. So total outcomes are 8. Okay. Now let's see. At least two heads. Probability of getting at least two heads means what? You should get minimum two heads. Okay. The meaning of at least is, for example, to pass in an exam, you should score at least 35 marks. If passing percentage is 35 out of 100. What we say, you should score at least 35 marks. That means minimum 35 and anything above 35. Okay, so at least two heads means minimum you should have two heads. You can have three heads, not a problem, but minimum there should be two heads. At least two heads means, okay. So minimum two heads are here, yes. Okay, there are three heads, so minimum two is there, so 1 and 2. Here minimum two, at least two, yes. So one favorable outcome, second favorable outcome. Two heads are there, no. So two heads are here, yes. So this one, so 1, 2, 3. Two heads are there, no. Two heads are there, no. Two heads are there, no. Two heads are there, yes. So what are the favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because in these 4 outcomes there are minimum two heads. So at least two heads, the favorable outcomes are 2. So probability of getting at least two heads is 4 upon 8. Favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. 4 upon 8 is 1 upon 2. Now at most two tails. Okay, that means at most means what? Maximum two tails. You can have 0 tail, you can have 1 tail, or you can have 2 tails. At most means what? Maximum. For example, in an exam you can score at most 100 marks. That means you can score 0 also, you can score 99 also, you can score 100 also, but you cannot score more than 100. So maximum two tails. Okay, so you need to search the outcomes where there are either 0 tails, 1 tail, or 2 tails. Okay, so let's search. Okay, so this is our favorable outcome because it has 0 tail. Okay, it has 1 tail, so we can the favorable outcomes are 0. The favorable outcomes are all the outcomes that have 0 tail, 1 tail, or 2 tail maximum. Okay, so this is the outcome. Second, third, yes, it has at most 2 tails. This has 1 tail, yes, 1 tail. This has 1, 2, 3 tail, no. This is not the favorable outcome because we need either 0 tail, 1 tail, or 2 tails. Okay, so it has 3 more than 2. So yes, this is our favorable outcomes. This is our favorable outcome because it has 2. This has 1, yes. So this is our favorable outcome. So except this, all are the favorable outcomes. So what are the total number of favorable outcomes? They are 7. Okay, at most 2 tails is 7. So final answer is 7 upon 8.